remember, you always free to like and subscribe to this channel if you think this information is useful. So let's go ahead and get started. Our first app, bear with me here. Let's go to my education folder. This is my education folder where I have all my educational apps. It's going to be BBC. So whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or advanced learner of English, I believe this app got you covered. All aspects. We have 6 minutes English, 6 minutes grammar, 6 minutes vocabulary. However, I like to use this part here where we go to, this is home. Remember, this is home right here. So we go to programs. When I go to programs, I have language skills, for example, which is my favorite. Besides language skills, let's go back here. I also have daily practice. This one, our daily practice, you can have everyday English, you may have business English, learn with the news, etc. But I really like this one here where I have those 3 skills: pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary. Alright, so if I go to grammar, for example, you can see here a set of short lessons, highlighting specific grammar topics. For example, here you can see phrasal verbs. You can have another lesson here about the present perfect versus the past, the simple past, or past simple as they call it in British. The articles, you have countable nouns, etc. And remember, those are very short lessons, okay? Just a couple of minutes and you get this. We also have a corner here for teachers. English for teachers. Here, if I click on teachers, the first option, I have tips and activities or pre-made activities that are for teachers. All right, so when you're planning your lessons, you kind of have a block of ideas. You can come to this app and get some fresh ideas on how to teach a specific concept. You also have teaching English to children, and this is mainly the same concept here. You have tips, strategies, and tricks on how to teach a lesson to the younger ones. All right, that's pretty much it about our first app. Let's go ahead and check the second one. Our second app here is WordUp, this app. And WordUp, I believe this app is for intermediate and advanced learners of the language. It helps you learn useful words. I would say the most useful words of the language with games and in context examples. When I open the app here, it asks me what is my level of English. So it's up to you to select here what do you believe it's your level. I'll go ahead and select fluent. You have native speaker, fluent, intermediate, and basic. If I select fluent here, then they have a test, very important. They'll go ahead and test your level by giving you cards like this. So you have to select if you know them, please be honest, or if you don't know them. Example, occupy. So I will select yes, I know this word. Stubborn, elegant, all right, and so forth. You'll be given a lot of words and then you have to select. Based on your answer here, the app will go ahead and prepare a program for you to learn the words that you missed. All right, our third and last app here is a dictionary. Guys, let me tell you this. There is no real language learning experience without a good dictionary. So here I have selected the Longman Dictionary of English. I have used many dictionaries throughout my process of language learning, and I can tell you that this one is among the best. First, if I go here, for example, to my settings, then I can select if I can use this dictionary offline by downloading the data. Also, if I want to have the default sound of the dictionary in British English, I'll go ahead and select this one, or if I prefer American pronunciation, then I'll have American. I also have here the night mode, which is, something very common nowadays, to put everything in dark, so that helps your eyes a little bit while using your computer screen or your smartphone screen for a while. So here you have it, dark mode. Don't like it for now. You also have notifications. If I go back here, quite interesting, this dictionary covers vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation. You also have a handbook here for the learners, and a pronunciation guide. So let's check here. If I go here to here, and if I want to go premium, I will select this one. For now, I'm good with the free version. And over here, let's go ahead and check the pronunciation. This is actually the International Phonetic Alphabet. You got sounds for the consonants, you got sounds for the vowel. Remember, this is a free version. I have some kind of ad down there, sorry for that. I have here this word. It gives you the pronunciation, one pronunciation in red, which is the British pronunciation, and one in blue, which is the American pronunciation. So it gives you here all the details about this word. Collocations here, meaning 1, meaning 2 of collocations. Wow, this dictionary is awesome.